Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay and having a lovely week. We are back today with this beautiful piece of Prada. How gorgeous is this? This is a small Galleria in this gorgeous pinky nude colour. It's just stunning. I think with the gold hardware as well, the combination of colours just is lovely. I really love this kind of pink with a gold hardware. It's just a stunning little bag. We also have this in yellow. So if you are not a nude person, you are more into bright colours, we have it in yellow too. So go and check that out on our website. But I'll show you the features. So double top handles, and then you've got the removable cloche with key ring inside. On the bottom, you have got 4 base studs. On the side, you've got these little crested fastens, which are sort of little gussets, so you can make it wider. And then I'll show you the inside. So you've got this big open space here, and then in there you've got one zipped pocket, and then you've also got a flat pocket on the opposite side as well. You've got your Prada label there, and then on the sides you've got these long zipped sections as well, and the internal lining just goes so perfectly, so luxurious and shiny and gorgeous. And you've also got a strap, so you've got this little removable crossbody strap, and you just clip it in to the little D-rings here. So clip that one in, and I'll do the same on this side. And then you've got yourself a long shoulder crossbody as well, which I'll show you. So here it is on me. This is on nearly the highest setting, so it does go lower. I'm about 5'4" in a UK size 8 or 10, but all the exact measurements will be on the website. So you can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it as a long shoulder, like so, or you can have it with the little top handles and tote it around like so. I'd probably be a toter personally. I love it as a little tote. But all the exact measurements, like I said, is on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this on our website where you can see all of the details about it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm sorry, that doesn't mean that it has sold, but don't worry, we do have requests. So if you are after one of these or anything else, get in touch, let us know, and we will let you know when we get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and sign up to the newsletter so you get 5% off your first purchase. I will show you what this comes with. So you've got a big Prada dust bag for the bag, a mini Prada dust bag for the strap, and then you've got a Prada envelope, and in here you've got your authenticity card. Let me move the focus. Authenticity card. You've got your RFID card, and then you've also got an RFID tag, and then you've got your product tag here as well. So you've got loads of nice little bits and bobs with this. It's in such a lovely condition. It would make a lovely gift. The exterior and interior we have called excellent. They are in a gorgeous condition. So the exterior, there really is nothing to show you. All the corners are perfect. The handles and straps are perfect. There's no marks on the base or anything like that. And exactly the same with the interior. The interior is also just completely pristine. So we've called all of that excellent. The hardware we have called very good. The main reason being there's just a tiny bit of wear. Let me turn down the light on the ring light so you can see a bit better. There's just a tiny bit of wear to the base studs. Barely anything at all. It really is minimal wear. Let me see if I turn this off, whether you can see it better. There we go. So there's really not barely anything to show you at all there. You've got as well on the zips a tiny bit of scratching, but it truly is hardly visible. So that is why we have called the hardware very good. So exterior excellent, interior excellent, and hardware very good. If you love this Prada, check it out on our website. The link in the description. If you prefer it in yellow, go check it out in yellow, and we'll see you very soon with some more Armcandy.